Sun is shining, tropical wine and dining. This is my world, step inside.
Oh no!
Fish.
The outside area,
Ah, it's very nice.
fridge and cooking space.
They stick. You've stuck them down.
They're fine.
No.
Anyway.
Coming in.
So nice.
It's cool, isn't it?
1980 what?
83.
Do you mind me videoing?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
I love it. Did you do all this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's brilliant. It's so cool.
It's nice, isn't it?
Wow. I love it.
Covers 3 hours.
Did you? How long have you travelled for in your van then?
No, I have this van since October.
Oh,
And
okay.
I travel since the year start March.
Oh,
Start March.
and then you lived in Germany before? Or
Yeah,
not?
yeah.
Oh wow. I love it. I think it's
But
great.
Cozy,
This
no?
is
That's the problem. Yeah, because the heat, the heart, it makes it fall
Yeah,
off, doesn't
yeah.
it? Yeah, we have that with our stuff. It falls off. I love it. I think it's great.
Here and
But it's all- it's great, isn't it?
yeah.
It's very,
It's like a
very,
hippie.
very cool.
My mum would love this, wouldn't she?
Yes.
Brilliant.
You've got to dance, believe me. This is my world, step inside. Come in, come in, come in, come in. Tropical breezes blowing, positive vibes are flowing. This is my world.
Very, very nice.
And even the outside, what you've done with all the pillows.
These
On the
pillows I
floor.
love. Where are they from?
India.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, I can't go to India anytime soon.
No, you can sell it or buy it in Amazon.
They're brilliant. I love them. I love
Yeah.
it.
And all your pots you add inside when
When
you're
you're
travelling.
driving.
Yeah.
All your
that's
plants.
Okay.
They stick. You've stuck them down.
They're fine.
Yeah.
And all the big ones
Yes.
were in here when you were driving.
There.
Oh, in there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Stacked up in the
I love
bathroom.
it. I love it. I think it's great.
Here
I'll push them in there.
Here's normally so
Oh, brilliant.
Haken, sowas. This and.
Oh, yeah. I'll tie them down.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's brilliant. I think it's brilliant.
It's cool, isn't it? I
It's
like
got
this.
more
This-
homely feeling than.
Yeah.
The outside looks so cozy.
Where's the dog?
Yeah, that's my.
Oh, he keeps barking at me a lot.
That's my dog and that's my cat.
You got a cat?
Yeah. Sabaka.
So what?
Under the car.
Oh, I've got 5 cats at home.
Ah,
Oh, I love cats.
Can't see. Is it a boy or a girl?
a boy. Tabaka, yes.
Sabaka.
It means in Russian language dog.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Oh, he's chunky, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, mate.
She's nice.
Oh, it's more friendly than the dog. The dog wants to eat me, I think.
Yeah,
Come here.
dog is crazy.
Oh, thank you very, very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
There is no need to hurry. This is my style, don't worry. This is my world, step inside. Come in, come in, come in, come in. Come to my paradise.
Yeah, she wants to show you around.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ja,
Sorry, yeah.
mit rumstehen muss ich nicht zwingend.
Nein.
Is my phone ringing? Kate?
He wants to see it too.
Darren?
Yeah.
Where is he? Do you want to see this or not?
Hier ist der Müll, wir trennen den.
The trash bins are for plastic,
Yeah.
paper, everything.
Okay.
It's a little bit difficult because this is not running.
You've got to sweep it in, yeah? Yeah.
Oh, so we can just use the barbecue then?
Yeah. We use it here, then we'll be eating together or...
I'll go to the shower.
Yeah, very good. Don't want to get too close, there's bees in there. Yeah, back away.
Das ist La Fabrica auf
I've got it.
Instagram.
Yeah,
Genau.
I've got it. Oh, I've got these at home.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's what I've got. Yeah, it looks really cool. Wow.
There's a gym if you want to train.
Never. Absolutely not. No, thank you. I'm allergic to that. Do not do gym.
Here come the Ghostbusters.
So you can read books out the walls and sit here chill with your homies. A piece of land with a warehouse and just transformed it into a campsite.
What you're telling me about?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, wow.
Who lives in there?
Könnt ihr Klamotten tauschen, euch nehmen.
You can swift or take clothes. If you have something you don't need, you can take it there and take it there. And if you need or see something nice, you can take it. So this is
Swap.
Swap.
It's okay.
Can I swap a t-shirt for a dress?
She has to do
There is no need to hurry. This is my style, don't worry. This is my world, step inside.
So nice, isn't
How
it?
long has this been here for?
Julie,
Kids are gone.
3 Jahre, ne?
Zwei.
2 years. I never ever knew about it until you came.
I didn't know.
Well, they've done well to set it up like this.
Huh? At the lunchtime, they want to have quiet. So
Yeah.
nobody goes in there.
It's siesta.
What time? 2 till 5?
2 to 5.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is also. The parents just sent the kids here.
Children pee into the
Oh
pool
no!
from the
On the edge.
They must have been animals.
Who are these kids?
We don't have
kids.
children.
And Jonathan says, here,
Is this real?
he must learn the Konsequenzen.
Consequence, yeah. Smack him.
Yeah.
Oh, it's very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, this is very nice. But with the rules, it's ruined a little bit more than before. But to be fair, all the kids now from the last year can come. So if you, when it's no problem, and you come again, there is no problem if you know the kids.
Yeah.
Is that why it's no children
Yeah,
on
because
there?
it says adult. It
That's
says.
adults only.
Yeah, this was the new rule because if they are, you have 20 kids here and nobody is behaving behaving themselves, and just the parents are sending them away.
Yeah.
Just leave me alone, do what you want, and then they are
Yeah.
do what they want, or they did anyway.
Right.
But the kids, they are now, so Peter is always welcome.
Let me see. Can I see it? Your tent.
Yeah. Peter showed us the tent.
Yeah, it's nice. Eh?
Ah,
Oh, where have you got your sunglasses from?
It's in my bum bag. This,
The outside area,
it's very nice.
fridge, and cooking space.
Is that someone else staying in there?
and they share food.
And they are brand new, so that is really, really, really nice. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Oh
Oh,
yeah.
and you've got aircon.
Yeah,
we're
with aircon,
We're
yeah.
swapping.
So yeah.
Go on.
The fridge is in there, but
Is it? Let's have a look. Go on.
you can have a workout while you eat.
Or if you're naughty, I'll hang you on that.
Same with the kitchen.
Very good. That's lovely.
Yeah, do that. Take a smoke.
Another light.
Evening campers. So we've been at La Fabrica for one night. We got here yesterday, and tonight we're having a barbecue with everyone. Down in the barbecue area over here. I think people are already set up cooking. Yes, we've got some watching. So we're going to have a barbecue over there with everyone, whoever's turning up. We're just parked over here. We've met Gary, who's got the 2 RVs. Manuela is staying here in a teepee tent. Teepee tent? Is that what it's called? Then this van is another one of Gary's van that he sold to, I think it's a Spanish couple. They have got it parked there, and then they just come whenever they feel. Someone else has set up a tent here. Junior and Peter are over in the pool, which shuts from 2 till 5 but is now open, and they're all prepping food. I'm just stood here waiting for it, and then tomorrow we're gonna move on and go up to Gran Alicante, I think, for a night, because that's just home from home up there, and it is hot. It's really hot. There's no breeze, but it's lovely. It's really nice. They've got dartboard in there. They've got here behind me. They've got a dartboard. They've got the pool table. They've got the footballine. I don't know what you call it in English. I call it footballine. Yeah, it's nice. It's quiet, but yes, it's an experience. So we'll go with it, and then tomorrow move on. So yes, and that's the weekend done. They're going to go back to work again, and they're away again on Wednesday. Keep on moving, keep on moving, keep on moving.
Pollos. That's hard enough.
What?
Pollo.
Yeah.
Well, or polo, if you're English.
Yeah, or polo. And what is it in Chinese? Chicken is chi. And chicken leg. There we go. In German. And in English, chicken leg. And in Spanish, pata de pollo.
Everything's twice as nice.
He's so happy, isn't he?
Ooh, everything's waiting.
It's like they're smiling, isn't it?
All of your dreams can come.
Don't they?
It's a girl.
Oh, is it a girl? Oh. No, you can't eat that. You can't eat it. Oh, she's still a baby. Yeah. Hippie? Yeah. Of course it is.